Hi, to check network speed setting on your Samsung Galaxy A16, firstly we need to find our Play Store app, open it, and now use the search bar and manually enter Internet Speed Meter. Now search for this app and this is how it should look. Just press the button Install. Make sure you are installing the right app. So now we can immediately open it, so let's do it. Here we'll need to grant permission, then allow to send notifications, and after that you'll see your current internet speed. So you can also check it by day. Here you should see it in this list. And if you take a look at the bottom of the page, you would see this day. So here you can see those columns for mobile, Wi-Fi and total speed. And now if you take a close look in the upper left corner, here you should see this icon with the internet speed. So kilobytes per second. Now we can tap these three dots. You can go in preferences and here adjust some of the settings. And also we can reset statistics and stop and exit. If you would like to reset, just tap that option. Select either mobile or Wi-Fi or both and then tap yes. And if you want to stop and exit, tap here. And now as you can see, this icon disappears from the status bar. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.